Top of the morning, people. It is day 15 of the daily vlog, September 14th, 2020. Hope everyone has a great start of the week. It is a Monday. Today I decided to start my day off doing some delivering groceries, doing some DoorDash, making some money, delivering food and lunch. And then in the midday, doing some of our business promotions for Optimum Outreach. Tomorrow I have a interview with the founder of Project 90, my friend Annie. Today is one of those fun days where I'm able to just do some of my side hustles before I go back to work. I work Wednesdays to Wednesdays as an overnight PCA from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. And I do that 1 week on and 1 week off. I'm on my week off, and on my week off I like to do some side hustles just to spice things a little bit and just use some of my spare time just to make some money. So it is Monday, it is bright, it is early in the morning. Got some deliveries with my, I rock that ship game, and shout out to my friend who put me on this, honestly. She's the one who convinced me that ship was something to do, that her daughter does it, and so I was like, all right, no, say less. So yeah, guys, you guys, it's a great start of the Monday. I don't know what else to say besides keep your head out of trouble, put God first, and stay blessed. But no, a little bit tired. I'm always moving around, but nothing. A couple of shots of espresso can't handle. So I get my espresso on, and then I'll wake up and go Super Saiyan, as I always do. Got a very fun and productive week. I had a friend that did my tarot cards, last night, which is very unique, and so it was really cool to have those tarot cards read and have my future be, sad and manifested. So I'm looking forward to continuing to just do what I need to do to live the life that I need to live. And so hope everyone stays blessed, stays beautiful, and ultimately stay you. Hello, people. Midday adventures. We are out here DoorDashing, making this DoorDash money. I highly recommend people, if you're looking for some second income, some simple money, join DoorDash. I'll add my referral link below. You guys can get a bonus. DoorDash, I've been doing it for quite some time. I think I'm at about 325 deliveries. I do also Shipped, which is delivering groceries. These are all side hustles on top of the side hustles on top of the side hustles on top of the side hustles. When I'm not trapping that, I'm trapping books. If y'all want to buy a book, I'll send the link below as well. If you guys looking for a place to rent, I got you guys as well. Y'all just let me know what you're looking for. Your neighborhood legal dealer, your neighborhood book dealer, book trapper, real estate trapper, motivation trapper, ship trapper, DoorDash trapper, Instacart trapper, trapper of the trapper. Outside of all the traps, we're looking to get out of the trap, the 9-to-5 trap. So when I'm not doing all that, I do overnights as well, from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. How do I live? How do I sleep? When do I sleep? I don't sleep. I make money. I don't know. Now I'm just joking out with you guys. But no, everyone's having a great start of their Monday. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay you. The only versions that we can see in the reflections in the mirror is the version that we seek to see. So if you're not liking what you see in the mirror, people, you can do everything in your power to change. Change is such a difficult thing to do because we sometimes get so content in the life that we're living, and we just don't know that there's another life out there that we deserve. And I just want to let everyone know that you deserve the best life that you deserve. You deserve to be happy, you deserve to be loved, and you deserve it because you deserve it. Why the hell not? Life is too short to live in a frequency of doubt and insecurity. And in the real sense of life, and you can do anything you want. So why not experience that, people? I don't know. We're all given 24 hours in a day, but it's how we delegate that time in that day is how we ultimately manifest the life and the goals that we want to experience and overcome. So I highly suggest people get out of your comfort zones. There's nothing good about living in your comfort outside of just having comfortable shoes and a comfortable bed. But outside of that, people, experience the things you want to experience in life. Life's too short. We're all going to die. But before I die, I'm going to be sure I live the life that I aspire to live. Hope everyone stays beautiful, stays blessed. This is the daily vlog. And we're doing this for the next 30 so days. So we're going to continue to crush this. We're going to continue to crush this. If you guys know any businesses that are moving locations, I run my own telecom brokerage with my business partner. If you guys know any businesses that are moving locations, we will pay you $100 per referral that closes with an organization. Go to www.optimumoutreach.com. We are a telecom brokerage where we help businesses with their phone, TV, internet, and their wireless services. Many businesses and all businesses need internet. So why not work with a black-owned business and let us help you in your transition? So hope everyone gets a chance to check out our website at www.optimumoutreach.com, see what we're up to. Tomorrow I have an upcoming show that I'll be interviewing the founder of Project 90, and I hope everyone just stays beautiful, blessed, and you. Door dashing today, making some money. Making money. So that's my plan for today. As long as I can, until I fall asleep, wanted to take a nap or something. But I got my coffee for that. So hope everyone stays true, stays you, and stays happy. Hello everyone, midday workouts, getting fit and staying sane. Doing so much, I highly recommend people just finding a way to break free of their busy schedule and simply just getting into the gym. One of my goals is just to stay fit, and not to get buff, not to stay lean, just to stay comfortable with myself and what my body is progressing towards. So after a great workout, get a hearty meal, and it's time for a midday nap. I'll see you guys either tomorrow or later today for the day 15 of the daily vlog. I'm tired, folks. I'm working always, running multiple businesses, and one thing I'm learning to do is take a break and just be able to just be content with just taking a midday nap. So I know not everyone has the freedom to jump in and take a nap, but I highly recommend it because people keep suggesting that sleep is what's going to give me more energy. So if I can be more productive with sleep, I'll try this stuff out. I don't sleep much. I sleep roughly around 3 to 4 hours a night. So, but I'm a big napper, and I've been just too busy to even nap in the daytime. So I'm going to sneak away and grab a nap, guys, and I'll see you guys later.